So we have some people, welcome back to my new video. I am Punani Tudu and in this video I am solving the beginner challenge of 247 CTF. The beginner challenge are pretty easy. So let's start. If you are new to my channel then subscribe for more videos like this. It is absolutely free. Okay, here we are going to solve these three basic challenge. First, socket challenge. Second is new challenge and the third is watch and learn. One more thing, if you did not try those challenge, go and try those challenge. Link is in the description. Now let's talk about our first beginner socket challenge. We have to start this challenge by clicking start challenge. At the bottom right hand corner, a pop-up will be there. By clicking on that, we will be redirected to a website, but we can't see nothing as it is a TCP service. Our browser only support HTTPS service. Copy the link and head over to our terminal. It's time to hacking. We're going to use Netcat. Yes, Netcat. We know it's a TCP service, so while running Netcat, we have to declare it. Either we will get error as our browser give us error. Type nc/h. It will bring us a lot of available options that we can use with it. Netcat. Here we are going to use /T option as it is help us to declare the service while we are running the Netcat. Okay, now here is our flag. Now submit this flag and it was pretty easy. Now it's time to solve our second challenge. This is so simple. We have to go to 247 Twitter account and the flag is in the pin tweet. So let's go. Search for 247 CTF. Here is the 247 CTF Twitter profile. Scroll down and here is our flag on the pin tweet. Make sure you follow 247 CTF for more updates. And we solved it. Now our third challenge is watch and learn. After reading the description, it is clear to us we have to find the 247 CTF channel in YouTube. So head over to our YouTube and search for 247 CTF. Now we are on the 247 CTF channel page. Head over to the About section. In the description, we can find the flag. Subscribe 247 CTF for updates. Let's go back to the site and submit our flag. Oh, sorry, I wrongly copied the whole text. We have to copy only the flag format. So thank you for watching my video till the end and please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.